Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Today we're going to do a thrift haul and just an accumulated haul of some things that I thrifted that I think fit into the 2022 trends and trend predictions that I talked about. And that's about it. I just want to show you guys what I've recently bought. There's one thing that isn't thrifted, but I want to show you guys anyways. So let's just get started. Let's start with hats because I actually have a few hats to show you guys. Oh my god, I have 4 hats to show you guys. That's insane. Okay, so I went thrifting yesterday and let's start off with this bad boy. I found this cheetah hat from the thrift. There's no tag on it, but it's got like a leather lining. It just feels really nice and like high quality, and I like that it's not a bucket hat. It's more one of those like fur style hats that I think is just so cute. I have a cheetah bucket hat and I always roll up the edges to look like this, and see if you unrolled it, it would just be like leather, but this one is a lot cuter and literally was $2. Love it. And then also what I got from that thrift run was this adorable mohair bucket hat. And I don't know why I like this one as a bucket hat more. It's the brand Etmar. I think this one is literally just to die for. So cute. It's that like furry mohair. I don't know what else to say. Love it. $2. Then this one was from a curated thrift store and it's probably my least favorite, which is funny, but it's like a Sherpa bucket hat. This one was $10. $10. Can you believe it? I don't know. I still think it's really cute. It's more like winter appropriate and it's less of a bucket hat and almost kind of like a beanie. I still wear it a lot, so I like it, but it's my least favorite. And then the last one I showed in my last video of trends I like, I found this little vintage Vivienne Westwood beret, and I got this one off of buyee. I know a lot of you guys want me to do a full video on buyee, but there's just not a lot that I want to buy from there, and I don't want to buy stuff just to do a video on it, so I think I'm gonna have to skip out on that one. Literally, if you just Google or YouTube, there's so many other videos of people already explaining how to use buyee, probably way better than I would. But yeah, this hat is from buyee. It was $40 and they're all over eBay for like $200. This little plaid furry Vivienne Westwood beret. Love it. And then also from buyee I got this little Vivienne Westwood wallet. I had a Vivienne Westwood wallet that I got off of Depop and I got it for like, I want to say it was almost $200. This little cow print fur wallet. I can show you guys it. This is my old one and obviously it's been worn down. There used to be like fur because it was like cowhide, which is kind of gross, but it was obviously secondhand and it's just gotten absolutely demolished, so I thought it was time to get a new one. I found this Trifold Vivienne Westwood wallet on buyee and it was $70, so I thought it was a steal. It's like, it looks pretty good wear and tear wise. There's like a little bit of wear and tear on the sides. For $70 I couldn't pass it up, and I'm sure it'll last me a few years just like the last wallet did, but super cute. Okay, next let's go to something that's not really thrifted. I got it off Depop. I finally caved and got the Doc Martens. I think these are 80-36s. I forget exactly what style they are. I had the other kind of like shoe platform Doc Martens for literally a week. I think I got them, and they were the only like 3 lace up kind of shoe, and the heel didn't have this cushion part and it ripped my heel to shreds, and there was literally no breaking it in. The shoe was just awful, awful, awful. And I was like, how do people wear those? So I sold them on Poshmark, and then I was like looking more into it and I was like, why do these ones have that little cushion? That seems like it would solve all my issues, and it did. I've literally been wearing these already and they're pretty comfortable. I like did a few videos on YouTube. I looked up how to break in your Docs and it really helped. This heel is so squishy and nice, and the other one wasn't like that. If you sign up for the email list, you can try and get your hands on these. I tried doing that and twice I was too late. Like minutes after I got the email, they were already sold out, so I just bit the bullet and paid a little bit extra on Depop to get them. But yeah, they're really cute and I can't wait to wear these with like the little tube socks and summer dresses. I really am excited for that. I think they're so cute. Okay, then something else I got from the thrift yesterday, still has the tag on it, this little gingham scarf. I thought it was really cute to wear as a tie top. I'm really into tube tops this year, and you can either tie it in, let me show you. You can either tie it So it's like a full length tube top like that, or you can do it this way and tie around, you know, the front and have it cover the boobs like that. I'm really into scarf tops. I love them with like trousers or baggy pants, and I like gingham, I like plaid, so this one seemed like a must for me. Kind of the same trend. I think just tube tops are gonna be really in style this year, and I love tube tops, so I'm not complaining. I found this little polka dot BB. It's almost like a vest, but a tube top version with all these beautiful buttons. This thing fits me like an absolute glove. I am obsessed with it. I found it at the thrift store for $6, so I couldn't pass it up. It came with this belt though, which is like a thicker, this is just like such an early 2000s belt, you know, the matching belt with that big belt buckle. And I actually don't hate this belt, just not with the top. I don't think I really pair them together. I took the belt off immediately when I tried that top on. But I think that this belt could be really cute for cinching the waist of like a white button up, or maybe dresses or something like that. And I love the like subtle polka dot pattern, because I think mixing this with like stripes or plaid or just different patterns would be really cute. Then more polka dots. Sometimes my thrift stores will have a bunch of one product new, like a store just bought too much, kind of in like a TJ Maxx style. And they always have these Hue socks. I don't know anything about this brand, but I've gotten like thigh-high socks from the thrift before that were Hue. These were $2 originally, $6.50, but they're kind of like sheer polka dot tights, or not tights, socks. They're a weird length, but I think scrunched they could be cute. So I have a few ideas of how I'm going to try and style these. They just seemed fun and different, and for $2 I was like, okay, I'll try them out. And they're brand new. There's literally a whole wall of them, so they were in my face. I had to pick them up and try them out. And what I kind of have planned for them is I got these little Mary Jane style shoes that I've shown already in a video. I think the ankle strap is going to be really big this year. Just adding this little strap to all your shoes, or not all your shoes, 2 shoes we're going to start seeing. And I love this look. I think it is so flattering. This with like a mini skirt or a little dress is so adorable to me. If you guys follow my TikTok, you would have seen that I struggled styling these a little bit, but I think just like going more simple is the way to do it. With these socks, I think it could be really cute, and it might have been what I was missing in that video. These are from the brand Chinese Laundry though, and I got them for, I don't remember, like $7 or $8 maybe? I already forget. But they look basically brand new. They're the kitten heel ballet flat that like everybody is loving, including myself, and I just love this ankle strap. Okay, then another pair of shoes. I found these kitten heels at the thrift. They're the brand Miu Miu. So they're fancy schmancy, and that was the main reason I picked them up, but I also just thought they were so cute. I love these types of kitten heels in the summertime. I have another pair with like little fringe that I absolutely love, and these were too good of a price to pass up, and my size. They were calling my name. How freaking cute are these though? I love little kitten heels like this with a pair of like baggy vintage Levi's and just like a white t-shirt in the summertime. I think is so beyond adorable. So very excited to finally start being able to wear these when it warms up. Okay, and the last thing that I thrifted was, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, was this micro skirt. It is literally a micro skirt, and I can't believe I found it at the thrift. I've been looking all over for a freaking micro skirt. I love it. The shorter the skirt, the better in my opinion, and I really like low-waisted things, so this skirt's low-waisted. Yes, it still covers my butt somehow, probably because I have a little butt. This thing is so cute. It's the brand Baltex. It feels like kind of a sport material, but you can't really tell. It could even be a swimsuit. I don't know, but I'm gonna be wearing it as just a skirt. I think this with like sheer black tights, the Mary Janes, or like the Docs is so freaking cute. Can't wait to start wearing this, and yeah, I'm happy that I thrifted the micro trend skirt, or the micro skirt trend because I did not want to pay money for this and I got it for $3. So very, very excited. I've been needing just like a black mini skirt too because mine is basically a midi skirt and I just keep rolling it up, and I can't wear like tops that show the waistline because the waistline looked so messed up because I just keep rolling it. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys, just because I'm proud of it, is this little balaclava I knitted. I didn't use a pattern. Look at it. I just made it up. And I only started knitting a couple months ago, and I'm just really proud of myself. So I wanted to show you guys that I knit this. Yeah, but I keep knitting balaclavas, and I thrifted this yarn, so it felt like I could show it to you guys. Literally these 3 giant balls of yarn, and it was all this like pretty brown color, so I had to pick it up and I knitted a balaclava, and now I'm trying to knit a scarf. This is the first arm. I have a design in my head that we're just gonna try and work with. I'm not very good at following patterns because I get bored, and I'm always like, you know, there's an easier way to do that. I'm gonna do it how I think it's supposed to be. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, but it will work out. But yeah, that's all I've bought in the past couple of months. I'm really happy with the thrifting of these trends. I think that the trends right now are super, super easy to thrift, so check out your thrift stores, pop in some headphones, give yourself a few hours, and go through every single piece of clothing. And you'll find some good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love showing you guys my thrift finds, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in a few days. I love you so much. Bye!